I'm Carlos Pescuoto, and I am a 7th grader at Corbett Preparatory School of IDS, and I am currently headmaster for the day at my school.
For our annual Student Council food drive.
Basically, I run the school by myself. I have my own cabinet. I greet other classes. Will the following people please report to the middle school office? It has taught me a lot more leadership because I like being independent. Now that I learned that most of the time being with others that help you, that offer to help you, is always better, and I really appreciate that. My parents won it for me at the big event auction, and it's a lot of fun. I get to run the school, and very few people get to do it, and it's a great opportunity for me to learn new things. I've always liked the word amazing. I thought it has a very zingy sound to it, and I think if I applied it to this day, I think people would look around and appreciate more that's amazing in life. For any future headmasters, just have fun. Don't wait for anything, just have fun.